Alright, so I just started using this yesterday. I realized I had this device when I got Ableton, part of like the downloads that I already had, but I didn't realize I had it, so I downloaded it. I had no idea what it was capable of, but it creates like a pitch loop essentially, but we've got a few different settings here. This kind of like downsamples like the delayed signal that you're getting, and I've got it on back, which is like essentially reverse. I want to control the LFO, but I want to get it in time with the tempo, so I'm going to do a little bit of digging. So we've got the rate here and it's in hertz. I don't know how to flick it over to change it. There's like no, we're at 139 BPM, so that equals that. Let's set it to this 232. So that's sounding like it's in time. I might go back to this calculator and just play around with some settings. So let's half our BPM and then we'll do that. I'm going to stick with the other one. I think I liked how like kind of busy the signal sounded. I haven't had like a deep dive into this. I've just kind of like slapped it on and got like some pretty cool results. So be interested to try it a little bit more. In terms of this sound, so this is just a resampled melody. We resampled the melody. Obviously you've seen me do this before. I chucked it into a simpler, which is like lower CPU version of the sampler. We just hit this slice mode down here. It's basically all I've done is just played around with the chops on the keyboard, pulled this filter back, and I used the resonance, then drove the filter a little bit using OSR. I don't really like, this sounds a lot more complex than what it is. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. Like I don't know what any of these mean. They're just, I think, different filter shapes. Once you drive the shape of this filter, I'm pretty sure changes ever so slightly, but once you drive it, it gives you a different sound. Sounds a lot more complex than it is. Just me experimenting and playing around and figuring out that I like how this sounds, so I always do that. But in terms of the sound characteristics of this actual like sample, the way that I like to think about it is like, how does this like melodic thing sound? This one, to me, it's like a really fun sounding thing. So how can we exaggerate that or complement it? I think something like this, what's the general idea of this sound? What's the purpose of it? And then how can I kind of humanize that in a way? What tool should I use next that's going to complement that sound and make it more like animated or emotive? copy this project file, go check out my Patreon. All my project files that I upload there are included in the membership. It's a great way to support the channel. Also, another great way to support the channel is subscribing. So if you're not subscribed, please do so. I'll see you in the next video. I appreciate you watching as always.